I want to try to take this tiny loop and power loop through my entire house. So out one door and the other, and I'll probably like stand in the middle to fly through my legs, because why not? That'd be fun. Ooh, there's like enough wind that when I go inside, it kind of freaks out a bit. Oh, it's a much bigger loop than I thought. Oh. Oh man. I'm gonna be stuck on the gutter, aren't I? Yep, went right in the gutter. Dang it. Take two. I tore out my props pretty good when I got stuck in the gutter. Oh. Oh, that one was so close. Oh, jeez. I'll take it. I'm full throttle and just not getting out of that even a little bit, so I think I'm going to try a different drone. Hopefully this one can pull out of the loop. It's going to struggle with the wind a bit more. And oh my gosh, it's got too much juice. No way. Okay. That works. Hey, I did it. I think that counts, right? I did it. I did it. Fun. All the way through the house, both doors. Nice. Let's try this direction. Why not? Does that count as a power flip? What if I could Matty flip it all? No, almost. Since we're doing big power loops, let's try this one too. Oh, the door's there. Okay, I did it. Fun. All the way through the house, both doors. Nice.